Here to Seoul, South Korea. I'm Junghee from Paik Cooking. Try to look different. Today we are doing something, not really cooking. We need to talk about this fresh ingredient. You heard about live octopus in Korea, right? Look at it! Oh my god! Yeah, looks so funny, right? This fresh live octopus, we can eat straight away. But you should be careful. It's moving. Even after cutting it, it's moving. So we can eat live octopus, but we need to cut because it's dangerous. If you eat straight away, all of it, it can be up. So we need to wash. Then let's cut and let's add a special sauce. Then yummy! Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at it. So we need to get rid of the head with knife. Control live octopus. I'm super sorry. Cut the head and the inner things. Let's get rid of it. Like this. It's quite slimy, so whoops. And we need to add just 1 spoon of flour. Gently. Oh, sorry, live octopus. Then we need to wash this up. Quickly, gently. Yep. Let's get back. I just got back with this octopus. Need to cut this faint octopus again, then she'll move. So we call this 낙지탕탕이. 낙지 is octopus. 탕탕이 is like sounds like. So let's do 탕탕. It's time to. Still really fresh. Can you see? It's still. Let's do 탕탕. Sorry. So I will just cut everything. Let's move to the plate. Still moving. Now I'm adding half a spoon of sesame oil, salt, sesame seeds. Oh my god! A lot of foreigners who visit Korea, they really want to eat this one, right? For experience and kind of for the challenging. Even for Korean, this is quite challenging food, but really tasty. Why Korean loves to eat this live octopus? Because it's really fresh and healthy. Sesame smell. We don't have enough time. Rush. So, it's done. Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time. Bye-bye. Oh my god, look at this moving live octopus. So, hey guys, it's eating time. If you can eat sushi, raw seafood, I'm pretty sure you will love it. 잘 먹겠습니다. Ooh. Oh my god, it's still super fresh. 1 big spoonful of live octopus. Sorry. I really love this texture.